This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Rachel. Now is the time to own land. Don't miss your opportunity to have over 14 acres of beautiful wooded privacy for under $5,300 an acre. Gravel drive, roughed in, and public utilities available at the road, electric, water and sewer. This property is rolling with several options for home sites with a little clearing. Wildlife and county-only taxes. Under 10 miles to downtown Knoxville, just 3 miles to grocery/hardware/Walmart and eateries like Cruze Pizza Barn. Even better, head down to Cruze Landing Boat ramp for a float. Great location with loads of possibilities. For more information, review the details below or contact Rachel at 865-687-1111.